Roberto here with Top 1 Marketing with another Canva tutorial video. And in this video, we're going to teach you how to upload a font into your account. And so without further ado, let's get right into this. So we're going to go over here to the brand kit. And you can see you can customize your own brand so that you can access these different facets of your brand while you are designing whatever you're designing. You can add logos, colors, and fonts. So right here is the fonts area. You upload a font. Now a font is a TTF file, so you can get fonts online through different venues and different places. So we're gonna pick a font right here real quick. Let's go with this one. It's gonna ask you if you want to upload, if it's yours. So upload that. Let's go ahead and upload another one. How about bourbon label? How about bourbon label? And let's go ahead and upload another one, for goodness sake. How about that one? All right, so you can see that they're uploaded. Now we can go to a design, create a new design, or in this case, I'm just going to go to any design because we're just going to be messing with the text element. So here's a text right here. You just drag the text and go in there. And so right here, you'll see that you have the uploaded fonts, and here are the set of uploaded fonts. All right, so let's click that one. So you can see there's one of the fonts I uploaded. See what red looks like. So that's a font right there. Let's go with bourbon. That's another font. Pretty nice little font. Let's test full order. Oh, cider. No, let's go with that one. Oh, that's tight. Yeah, that was not too good. But so there you go. That's how you upload your own custom fonts, and you find it in the design canvas. So if you have any comments or questions, just put them in the comment section below. Be sure to give us a like, give us a share, subscribe to our channel. That way you can get notified anytime we upload another one of these great tutorial videos. This was Roberto with Top 1 Marketing, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.